What is Enjin Coin? Enjin Coin is a powerful all-in-one blockchain game production platform that allows creators to crowdfund, expand, and monetize the digital world of their dreams. Gamers can now use blockchain technology to create in-game currencies and non-fungible items such as skins, creatures, and even weapons. These items are stored in a player's unique wallet and can be transferred back into Enjin Coin to liquidate their assets. Users can literally build digital assets, load them into the Ethereum blockchain, and integrate them into games and apps using Enjin. These gamers also demand a platform that protects and secures their data, which is why the word metaverse has been trending all over the internet as a result of these market needs. The idea that even Facebook is rebranding itself in order to position themselves as a contributor in the metaverse network has sparked a lot of interest in the crypto gaming tokens, with Enjin being one of them. Games such as Nine Lives Arena, Age of Rust, and Ultraverse are all games that already use Enjin. When Samsung announced their partnership with Enjin, the coin price actually went up by over 75%, which is kind of expected being backed up by a big tech company. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this, please do like and subscribe, so it helps out the channel a lot, and we'll see you guys next time.